Hi, my name is Tim with OS College, and this is your LibreOffice tip of the day. Today is Fedora Friday, and today we are going to be looking at freezing the first row in a spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc. In this document about world population, I have a very long spreadsheet with more than 1,000 rows in it. And when you scroll up and down, the the header column with the that gives the data in each individual column, it gives labels for that, disappears. So if you get deep in the spreadsheet, you may not remember exactly what each data point in a row represents. So to if you want to keep if you always want to see this this label row that gives the data that's being represented, simply freeze it. So when you scroll, that that row will always appear. So to do that, go to the View menu, go down to Freeze Cells, and a submenu appears, and freeze first row. And as you can see, it changes a little bit. And when you start scrolling, you will always see the labels for each column. And if you decide you don't want that anymore, you need to go to the number of the first row here, right click on it, and go to freeze rows and columns and remove the check mark from it. And if you want to put it back, another way to do it is just go back to the right click menu, put a check in it again. And that's your LibreOffice tip of the day. It's Fedora Friday. Every day, OS College creates a new video about a different application in LibreOffice. And every day it's done in a different operating system. To learn more about LibreOffice, visit the OS College website or the LibreOffice website. Both are in the description for this video. Thank you for watching.